Hello, welcome to the channel. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Something really different today. I've got my little friend Tyler. He wants to go as well. Obviously you've been voting on Instagram. Should I do a little different video about cooking? Got a goose, my good friend. A bit of a part exchange. Gave him some turf. Gave us a goose. Happy days. Never done a goose ever. You know, I've done pheasants, done cockbirds, done everything like that. Never done a goose. So all I'm going to do, I'm literally going to whip the breasts out. I've had a look on YouTube. Also messaged a guy called Stu, Prep Cook and Survive. Go check him out on Instagram. Go check his channel out as well. Actually, got some really good stuff on there. So yeah, got a simple recipe in my mind. I'm probably going to make it up as we go along. Sometimes that's the best food, when you make it up and as you go along. It's fantastic. So all I'm going to do is literally we're going to pull it apart, just get into the breast, so we can just take the breast out. I'm going to put it in the fridge, and then all we'll do in a couple of hours time is I'll show you a video cooking it at the same time. Underneath it's so pretty tough to get through. I'm going to be using my new bushcraft knife, as thanks to Rich at Bug Out Vehicles. That's fantastic. Does the job. We'll see how it fares with this. The dog's going mad chasing the old feathers. It's pretty windy and rainy today, guys, so yeah, we'll see how far we get, really. I think the neighbours are going to get a load of feathers, you know. So I think what I'm going to do, and what I've seen is, there it is, you need to find the lowest point of that breastbone, go running down here, and let's get down there somewhere. Run it down. I'm getting a bloody faithful here. Then what we're going to do, hopefully, as you can see, this knife is absolutely pucker. Absolutely pucker. So I'm just literally going to, if we can, just run it down, just to get that top bit of skin off. Feathers everywhere. Yeah. Got Riley, the cameraman, filming this. So all I want to do is, what I'm trying to, is just run it down the side of the bone here, just to actually get that top bit of skin off. If this knife is up to this, hopefully it is. I haven't got any proper butchery knives, guys. I really do want to get, I mean, look at that meat in there. That looks fantastic. Can't wait to make steaks out of these. As you see, guys, there's probably people watching this going, oh, you should be doing this, you should be doing that. I honestly, I've never done a goose in my life. As my pheasants, normally, like I say, I literally, it's two-second job of stripping a pheasant, hold it on its wings with my feet, and then basically all I do is just pull it. It's simple, and it's skinned. It's very, very simple for that. Probably should have took a bit more feathers off, to make it a little bit easier. And, I mean, worst comes to worst, get your fingers in, I think. So, like I say, guys, I've never tried the meat itself, to be fair. So, like I say, I've had a couple of recipes thrown at me, and then also I've just been doing a bit of research, sort of what would go well with it and things like that. So yeah, I say I've got a few bits in my mind what I want to do with these steaks, but I might, like I say, I might just sort of make it up as long as you go. I say, generally, if we're out camping or doing anything like that, and we make it up as we go, it's absolutely fantastic. It sometimes turns out to be the best food ever. So I'll tell you what, there's going to be some big old steaks, these. I say we'll get rid of that silver skin after. I want to just literally, what you do, you probably won't pick it up on the camera, but as you're cutting down, you can feel, and it really does hit that bone, and then just slightly peel away from it. That's all I'm doing. And like I say, there's going to be people out there probably commenting, going, you should be doing it like this, you should be doing it like that. Mate, I don't know, do you know what I mean? I'm doing what I think I should be doing. And at the end of it, if it tastes alright, then there's nothing to be bloody complaining about, is there? So I'm gonna, I missed a bit of meat there, but oh well. I think these are gonna be big enough anyway. Right, Riley, what I'm gonna do, mate? I'm gonna do this one. I'll peel the other side back for you, and then you can do the other side, all right? So we've got Riley, my son, 13, on the camera. One thing you did notice, mate, didn't you? As soon as we picked it up, how heavy was it? It was heavy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Absolutely cracking, guys. Look at that. I'm going to take the silver skin off as well. Give it a clean up once we get inside, and yeah, go from there. Right, we'll peel a little bit more off for Riley. He can do the next side for me, as long as you're not going to cut yourself again. Make it a little bit easier for you. I probably did it the difficult way, to be fair. Yeah, exactly what I've just done, mate. So find the breastbone. There. Right, and you can run your finger down it first, and you'll feel where you do need to cut. Don't force the knife. All right, start from the top and work your way down slowly. And all I've done is just run down the side of it. And as you get down, about probably that far, as you can see, probably what a nail width, you just start pulling it out slowly. I've done it. I mean, there's quite a bit of meat still left on that, but like I say, it's the first time I've done it, so it's the first time you've done it. So yeah, literally start there. So we'll get that silver skin off later once we get inside, but let's get the breast out. That's it. Hold it. Don't be scared of it. Try and get as tight up to that breastbone as you can get it. So not too much. That's it. And again. So can you feel it on the knife? Yeah.
Like the side of it.
That's it. Put your hand there. That's it. So you're never going to cut yourself down now, are you? Right. That's it.
No, just keep cutting down.
Keep going. Do a little bit by little bit. Right, can you feel that?
Yeah.
Now? Right, lift it up and then go there. Lift it up and then go there.
I feel it. Like
So as you can see, look, you can see where the actual chest bone comes out.
Yeah.
You can feel it there. So that's going to be exactly the same this side. So it's going to need to be deeper this side and a little bit lighter that side. Yeah. You feel it?
Yeah, like...
Does it feel like there's a gap there now down at the bottom?
Yeah.
Just do this bit for me, at the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch. Keep your thumb over there. It's the first time for everything, people. First time for everything. Like I say, we're not making this a regular habit, but we just thought it's something different for you guys.
Yeah.
And yeah, EGR delete tomorrow. That's it.
Bone.
That's it. That's it. You can, so you feel the bone. Yours is better than mine, mate, to be fair.
Is it?
Yeah. And then what I do is just literally slit down there as you're doing it. Slit down there. So keep that thumb out of the way. It's already pulling that skin off anyway. Look. That's it for now. Right, there you go. That skin's already off.
Skin.
Yeah. Put the knife down a minute.
Oh.
Yeah, stick it in there if you want. Stick it in there. That's it. That'll do. Right, you can either try it with fingers like I did.
Yeah, like pull it off.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's pretty tough. It's pretty tough going.
Wow.
Or if you
that's
if you grab that, look. Just show you exactly. I did this first actually. Probably should have done it first on this side for you, but you literally just pull it apart.
Yeah.
And see where it just needs literally tickling.
Just slice off. Yeah.
Tickling with a sharp bit. Without getting the meat like me. Look at his face.
It's off his nose.
What's up, mate? They're not for you.
With the skin.
That's it.
Wait.
That's it. Keep away from the meat if you can.
Oh.
It's alright. It's only a little bit. You're cutting the silver skin off anyway, so it's fine. I'll peel this side back, look. You keep peeling that one. That's it. It's nearly out. The thing is, there's no rush with a job like this.
Yeah.
It's quite satisfying. Because
It just like peels off.
Exactly, that's it. That's all you need to do.
No.
Like normal skin. I'll keep that up. No. Never cut forward like that. That's it. Keep cutting. That's it. Look.
At the bottom.
See? Exactly what I did. So there we go, guys. Just needed a bit of a helping hand just for that last little bit near the wing. So it's a little bit tough, but I say a pro would, you know, there's quite a bit of meat left still on this. A pro, you know, would have it done quickly, neatly, and I say it's first time we've done it, guys. But as you can see, you know, we've got some cracking looking steaks there. You're talking, if a beef prime steak, upwards of £15 there, sort of thing, each. So absolutely cracking. Right, dog's happy. You happy?
Yep.
Yeah. Right, let's get them all washed and prepped, get this silver skin off, get them all sorted and get them in the cooker. As you can see, I'm literally, all I'm going to do, a little bit of warm water. I'm rinsing feathers off and stuff like that. I say there's quite a bit of silver skin. I say I'm not professional, so you know, if you're professional and watching it, then you know it's probably going to be a lot neater. I say it's the first time I've done these, to be fair, and yeah, that silver skin's really tough. Plus a couple of veins, a couple of things running through, so but the majority of it's off now. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to bang it in some olive oil. Cut that little bit off here. I did have to change knives, I must admit, to an half decent sharp indoor knife. Obviously that needs cleaning now anyway, and resharpening. So we'll get some olive oil, get it seasoned, and then yeah, looking good. I'll tell you what, the smell is fantastic. And there we go, guys. Basically, yeah, I've just thrown it all together. Like I say, it's brand new for me. If you are subscribed to my channel, great. It's not going to be a regular thing, honestly. It was just, I stuck it on my Instagram and people wanted to see it. So there you go. Yeah, generally, I tell you what, it's absolutely fantastic. Probably, my piece could have probably done with a little bit longer. I'll stick a picture just about here somewhere. As you can see, I did it sort of, well, I wanted it medium. It's probably medium to rare, that, to be fair. I prefer it medium, so mine bit could have probably done with a little bit longer. The bit for the missus was a little bit thinner. That was fantastic. It is better than steak. I could probably dish it up as steak and somebody would probably eat it and they would just wouldn't know the difference at all. It's probably a little bit richer in taste. But I suppose it all depends how you cook it as well. I used olive oil, some people use butter, things like that, so it just depends what you want. But I say it's something a little bit different for you guys. It's Friday today, Saturday, what am I doing tomorrow? So I am doing my EGR blank tomorrow. I've already got the kit. There's a bit of jiggery pokery to do there, so I'm going to film that for you guys. That should be out Sunday. And like I said, plenty more in the pipeline. So guys, if you like the video, put a thumbs up if you like it. If not, put a thumbs down. I don't really care anyway. And hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification. And if you've got any questions, I'll try and answer them best as possible. Leave a comment below. Yeah, have a good weekend. See you in a bit.